Okay, y'all, so everything has started. They are pulling out the appliances. They then started taping up stuff. Oh, God. So, this is where we are. All right, so they got to move out, repair these cabinets and all this stuff. So, look at that, y'all. Ah! All right, y'all. So let me get out their way. They're about to start taping up stuff and pulling stuff down. I'm assuming. I don't know. Bye, y'all. So this is where we at. This is such a process. I was thinking that they had to take the cabinets doors down, but they're saying no, that they're gonna spray them while they are up. Okay, all right. So y'all, I done got the stove out. Y'all know I'm getting new appliances. So that's the fridge, my old microwave. I'm waiting for all of that. You guys, this is such a process. So this is day 2. So this is where they are with day 2. All right. Day 2, you guys. So they started Thursday, and today, actually, yeah, they started Friday, and today is Saturday. So by Monday, they're saying they're going to be done, because these cabinets needed a little work. So they had to do some sanding, and they had to repair some cabinets, like they had to repair that one there and a couple of other ones. But this was a lot of work. So, they gotta fix that. I gotta show them that. Yeah. So you guys, I'm happy because you already know that I hated the cabinets and I wanted to get them painted by a professional company, and that's what we ended up doing. And I'll leave the company's name down below. I know they told me when they come out tomorrow that they have to tape off the whole kitchen. They have to tape off all this part, they said. And they're going to tape all of this up. So I don't know what I'm going to do with the fridge. And they say they got to tape this part up. So they got to tape up everything. All right. So y'all, I am super excited that my kitchen is going to be refreshed. And I'm thinking that once I do this, that I'm good to go, because any imperfections that I had with the cabinets, I'm getting that fixed. I'm getting new hardware and everything. So yeah, I'm excited, you guys. So I hope that you guys are excited for me. Yay! All right, so I'll show you guys day 3. So y'all, we are on day 3. Everything is all sealed up. Let me see if I can go on the other side and give y'all a sneak peek. Y'all, I'm going to sneak in and see. Oh, they fixed me. I can't even see what. Oh, let me see if I can sneak in. Can you guys see? Look, wait, let me go. right, y'all, the process is almost over. They have did the spraying and everything, and they are basically cleaning up the mess. Ooh, look out, look out. So the guys are almost done here, and I guess tomorrow they will be back to pull everything down so I can see my cabinets. Y'all, I am super excited. Y'all don't know how excited I am about, I told y'all that already. I get on here every day telling y'all the same doggone thing. But I can't get to my refrigerator over here, the stove. I gave the stove away. Oh, God, I'm hungry. Somebody got some food. Somebody got some food you can get me. Look at the mess, y'all. I got stuff everywhere. Look how messy the house is. Y'all know I'm going crazy. I gave my daughter flowers and finally died. I can't get to the flowers. Oh, it's a mess. Okay, this is where we at. Okay, you guys, so we're running a little bit behind schedule because now my appliances is on the way. So let me go around. Alright. So this is where we are. This is what everything is looking like. A little frustrated because we're running behind schedule and the kitchen is still getting painted now. So I'm trying to rush to get the kitchen painted because my appliances is on the way. My microwave is on back order, so that won't be here until Wednesday. But the stove is coming and the new fridge is coming. So I'm a little worried about this paint, y'all. But we'll see. Alright, y'all see the old spray up here? The white. Okay. Well, I mean, it's not bad, but yeah, you're gonna see it and then it got hit, then the computer and all that might be. That's what scares me. Because it could have been dropped or anything. So I do see the dent right here on it right here. Yeah, I can see that on the camera. Alright, so you're gonna just have to, I guess, take that back.
Yes, ma'am. Do you still want us to take the stove in? Or do you want to do like home delivery again? I don't know. It's really up to you. I'm just giving you.
No, you could bring the stove in because I've already given the stove away.
Yes, ma'am.
I know they said the microwave was on back order. It was going to be delivered. Y'all don't have the microwave, do you?
No.
Okay,
We
that's
only
what they
have these two
said.
items.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. All right, so what happens now? So if it's damaged, y'all have to...
I'll take a picture and send it on the app, and I'll put a reschedule or no replacement.
A replacement.
So we put the order for the replacement. Whenever we bring this back and the vendor gets it, then they're gonna start giving you the other refrigerator.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'm gonna take pictures. I'm gonna give notes, and then after we're done with this delivery, all the photos should be inside the computer already.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Because we still have to close this one down.
Oh, my beautiful refrigerator. No, that's okay.
I just wanted to let you know because I mean, people pay for something new.
Yeah.
Be unsatisfied with their.
I hope ain't nothing wrong with the stove. All right, so now I ain't got to worry about the refrigerator putting it in the garage, so that's a good thing. All right. I told y'all, look, my day has been, I don't know, a mess. So they think the refrigerator was dropped. Hold on, y'all, look. So let me get a closer picture of it so y'all can see it. All right, I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. All right. All right. All right, y'all. I'm going back inside and see what progress they making inside. So I ain't got to worry about that because stressing. They can't bring the refrigerator by Jazz. So I was the refrigerator right here until my husband get home. But I was stressing about that. So, oh Lord. All right, see y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all. Look. The house is a mess, y'all. So to sum up everything, look how I'm holding the camera. That's how tired I am. This has been a Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday process of painting the cabinets and painting the kitchen and all that stuff. And we still have the refrigerator came, as you guys can see, damaged. We got the stove in, the microwave is on back order. So it's been a lot with this kitchen and I am so exhausted. So I am going to end this video here, even though it's a lot more to go with the kitchen, but I'll just show y'all in a new video because I have some new hardware coming. I spray painted the light fixture plates. Those are done. They came out really nice because I was about to buy the light fixture plates, but when I realized when the guy was here, the contractor was here, he was like, why you just don't paint those? So while they were here, I went outside and painted those. So now I got to get all this stuff put back in here. One of the cabinets, well, two of the cabinets didn't come out that well. So, I mean, y'all, it was a lot. But for the most part, I give the process a 9 out of 10. The guys did a really good job. So, yeah, I'm just so tired, y'all. So I just was sitting here trying to take a break. I finally was able to get something hot to eat because, like I said, the kitchen has been pulled apart since Thursday. So they actually started Thursday. Something happened with the guy on Friday, so they didn't even come. Then they came Saturday and started. They sprayed yesterday and they took everything down today. But today they had to paint the kitchen. So as you guys can see over here, let me move out the way, that we got the kitchen painted. I had to remove all the lights from out the cabinet. So now I'm just going through the process of trying to put everything back. And I'm so tired, y'all, to I can't record all that. So I'm going to break this video up, but we are going to end this video right here. So once the stove get here, once the stove get here and the microwave get here, I'll show you Well, actually, I'll just show you all the appliances. You guys seen the refrigerator. My refrigerator is so nice, but I mean, hey. All right, y'all. I gotta go. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and like, share, and also leave me a comment. I would love to chat with you guys. Toodles!